Now please look at the starting lineup for the Saskatoon Blizzard. At left wing, number 10, Patrick Sharp. At right wing, number 29, Gregory Campbell. At center, number 22, Wade Megan. And at goal, number 39, Anders Lindback. The head coach for the Blizzard is Brett Hull. The assistant coach is Keith Kachuk. For now, please welcome the Victoria Millionaires. At left wing, number 57, David Perron. At right wing, number 13, Ray Whitney. At center, number 69, Marian Hossa. And in goal, number 34, James Reimer. The head coach is Dan Price. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise, remove all hats, and join us in the presentation of our national anthem. Thank you, and enjoy tonight's game. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Zach, why are you not outside? Well, here's the thing. The weather is so awful today that we cannot play it outside. I get it, you're low on battery. If the speaker runs out of battery, we're just going to have to run on backup power, which is 100% volume on this thing. How loud would that be? Just give me a perspective. Not very. So that would suck if we have to do the rest of the game on that, but nah, I'll put this back down to 30. All right, here we go. Got the face-off. Marian Hossa and Wade Megan here in the Canada Classic. Here's the draw, and the Canada Classic is underway. Perron across. Whitney gets it back to Perron, and he snipes it. David Perron gets the first goal of the Canada Classic. Immediately, 5 seconds in. David Perron getting a snipe. He gets enough height and enough momentum on this to get it into the net and give Victoria an early, and I mean early lead. on the first shot of the game for Victoria. Gotta keep my mouse on the whole time. Here's the draw. Victoria gets it. Whitney sliding, save for Lindback, and a shot stopped and out. So Victoria's still trying to find an assistant coach right now. They're still working on it. Here's the draw and a shot and another one. It's 2-0, 11 seconds in. This is unbelievable. Are they going to take him out of the game? They are. Wow. They're going to take out Anders Lindback and put in Carter Hart. This is the second time in 2 games that Saskatoon has made a goaltending change. Carter Hart's going in. It's 2-0 already. It's unbelievable, man. Wrong lineup card. Gotta get the right one. So, Lindback out. Hart in. Alright, here we go. About to face it off. 2-0. Victoria and a shot. Great stop for Carter Hart. Here's a save. That almost went in, actually. There's another stop. And it goes out of bounds. You know, we got to try and get through the first period without 15 goals being scored. Here's the next face-off. 2-0. Shot blocked. Turn around. Rebound missed the net. He'll try and fire and a save. 4 chances and we got a penalty. David Perron flies off and clips Greg Campbell in that. Will be our first penalty of the game. You can't do that, apparently. Victoria penalty number 57, 1 minute for contact.
They can't do that.
You can't do that. Thank you, ref. Apparently it was just an announcement coming out of the speakers. It is. So first power play of the game comes 24 seconds in. David Perron scored the first goal, and now he's taking the first penalty. And oh my God, this game is moving really slow already. Campbell now hurting a little bit. Saskatoon on the power play. The face-off. Power play's underway. It'll last till 1:36, by the way, and Reimer didn't even have to move. He turns it over and a stop is made. Victoria going to try and just run some time off here on the PK. He turned it over. Oh, he missed the net. Victoria going to run some more time off. We're 16 seconds in and a save is made. Sharp stopped. And they turn it over. Oh my God. It almost went in. There's a shot, missed the net in the back now. Sends it up, turns it over. Stopped by Reimer. Saskatoon's had a few chances here on the power play already. Haven't been able to capitalize. The shot stopped offside. He goes. Got a free play. Open lane. He shoots. No. And they touch it up. 1:58 to go in the first. Here's the draw. Whiffs on the shot. Couldn't do it. Rebound. Great save by Reimer. Ray Whitney has it here. He fires and a stop is made. The rebound blocked off. Across the ice, that almost went in the net, and now they'll kill some time off before turning it over. There's a shot, didn't even have to move. Oh, good stop by Carter Hart. What a save there. Turns around and fires no, and that's going to be their last chance of this power play. The penalty has been killed off. A shot does not go. They turn it over. That almost went in. A couple of weird ones that almost went. David Perron fires and a stop is made. Shot, goal post. Campbell sends it out and a fire no, and oh my God, another great save by Carter Hart. It's been the theme of this first period, just telling you right now. Sharp. Was that a save or ice? I believe that was ice, but it may have clipped James Reimer in the process. We had 2 goals in 11 seconds. We've seen nothing since. Puck goes back into the corner. There's a block. That almost went. Rebound, another save. Carter Hart. How did he save that? And he knocks his own guy. He gets back though, but they turned it over anyway, so it doesn't matter. Sharp across. Megan, back to Campbell. He fires and a stop. Sharp rebound, sliding save for Reimer. Down to the last minute of the period. Sends it up, turn it around. Oh, a good save by Megan. Megan, you mean Hart? Yes. On Hossa. Here's David Perron. He shoots and a stop. Sends it up. It's on the line here. And now it's going to be there. Blocked. Sends it up. And we got a double offside. Two guys go offside. 39 seconds to go in the period. It's still 2-0. Yes, I get you're low on battery, but you're going to have to live for 2 more periods. They turned it over, though. Shot offside he goes. Free play. Whitney. Oh, he turned it over. He had an open lane. So there goes that opportunity. 31 seconds left in the period. Still 2-0. The draw goes to Victoria, and a shot does not go. Here's Whitney. I mean, that's Perron. This is Whitney, and he shoots blocked. Gets to try again. Doesn't go. Perron, that almost went in. Sends it up. Fires a save. No. Rebound does not go. Here's Perron again. Fakes. Across and a stop on the line. Blocked there. Good save. What is Perron doing? He sends it up. Here's Sharp. They turned it over. No, it's on the line. And now, here's a shot. No, 1 second. Might be able to get one more. And that was awful. This Rogers Center crowd happy with what they've seen. Mostly Victoria. But this period was all Victoria. 2-0 after 1. All right, second period about to start here from Rogers Center. It is 2-0 Victoria still. We had a couple goals in the first 11 seconds. Then you saw Anders Lindback got taken out, and now it's been all goaltending. Oh my goodness, this part is coming off. So I'm going to have to put some tape over this. Like, geez, it's coming off. And by coming off, I mean coming off. I'll have to figure it out later. Anyway, here's the face-off. To begin period number 2. Here's a shot off the draw. A save is made. Turns it over. Oh, what a stop! James Reimer. It almost went in. Here's a shot missed. Here's Campbell. He turns it over this time. Sends it up. Here's Hossa. Stopped. And now you got Hart on top of the net for some reason. And he turned it over. Here's Perron. Puts it on the line. And now they get it back. The refs might have missed an offside, but there's a real offside that they're going to catch every time. But a lot of offsides in this game. That's unfortunate. Yeah. Your team's up 2. That almost went in. That would have been clean. A shot. They score. A snipe there goes in. And it's a 1-goal game. Greg Campbell here in the second period. It's a 1-goal game. Campbell was the one who got fouled there. And now you got your team back to within 1. The heck? Oh, the speaker died. So that means we're going to have to go to our backup. And that is 100% volume on this. Which is not even that much. Like, that's weak. You might still be able to hear it. Here we go. I'll have to keep this on. So the speaker has died. Here's a turnaround block. Rebound stop there. Patrick Sharp and a save. Rebound, he missed it. A lot of shots coming from both sides. And now they'll slow it down a little bit before turning it over in a block. Across the ice for Ray Whitney. He shoots off the side of the net. Blizzard keep it alive here, and they score! It's all tied up at 2-2. This time it's Wade Megan tying it up. The first time we've been tied in a long time. Wade Megan getting enough power on the shot, and he beats James Reimer at left side. It's a little upsetting. You have to go to 100% volume on the computer, and oh, they score! It's 3-2. Saskatoon has the lead. Wade Megan has his second. Wade Megan, he's too quick. James Reimer has absolutely zero chance to stop this puck. James Reimer has absolutely zero chance to stop the puck. There's a shot offside, and they'll just touch it up back into their corner. Been a pretty slow second period so far. The Blizzard getting 3 goals to start the period. It's big for their team to put them up, to show that they're a real team. And oh, there goes Campbell. He's now hurting even more. They turn it over, and a shot does not go. Across. Here's a shot, missed the net. We got an offside here. Across. Free play. Whitney across. David Perron picks it up, shoots, missed the net. And they'll touch it up. Campbell's hurting even more than he was. If he gets hit, the guy who hit him gets thrown out of the game. It's a very interesting rule. Here's the draw. Shot. Totally missed. Up ahead. Turn around for Megan. Doesn't go. Sharp. Trying. No good. Sends it in the back. Here's Campbell to Megan. Back to Campbell. He fires. No. Turn around. Block. Campbell stopped. Perron across. Shoots and a stop is made. And that one's going to not go out of bounds. It's still in play. Here's Ray Whitney. He fakes it. Wants to give it to Hossa. Puts too much on it. And a good save by Reimer. There's another save. That's going to miss. Turns it over again. Leaves it. Shot does not go. Down to 1:20 left. 80 seconds. Here's a shot blocked again. Whitney takes it into the back. He'll calm it down a bit. Sends it up. They turned it over, though. He missed the net. Here's David Perron. He shoots. A stop is made. Has it in the back. Perron up ahead. A shot and a save. Campbell has a step. Stopped there by Reimer. And I don't know what that was, but it was something. Ray Whitney having some trouble. He shoots. Totally missed. Carter Hart has it in the back. He sends it to Sharp. Across. Campbell shoots. No. Rebound stop. 45 seconds to go. And that was a bad miss. And they turned it over. No, it came back, though. Ray Whitney shoots over the net. Megan gave it to Sharp. Save. Rebound on goal. No. And there's a shot by Hossa that does not go. Oh, my God. They almost own goal there. Campbell offside he goes. They have a free play again. Perron shoots. Stop. Then it goes out. Face-off will go here. 3-2, 25 seconds left. Still only one penalty called in the game, and it was in the first period. Patrick Sharp having some trouble with it. Campbell across. And, oh, it goes in! James Reimer had it! And with 17 seconds, the Blizzard take a 2-goal lead. Patrick Sharp getting his first of the game. He's finally getting out in the action. It looked like James Reimer had this one, but it looked like it went up off his arm and right into the net, and we got a 4-2 game. What's funny is that the Millionaires had a 2-0 lead. Yeah, that's what's funny is that the Millionaires had a 2-0 lead. 17 seconds left. What a save. James Reimer stretching out to make that save. Right back to Whitney, and it doesn't go. Here is Patrick Sharp again. He would have had to make a great save again, but now he'll get back. Perron has it. Goes over the puck. He shoots. Puck is going to be nicking the line. Still on the line. Blizzard have it. Week 1 on net. That does not go. Blizzard fans in the building. Happy with what they've seen. 4 goals in the second period. All goals have come from this side of the ice. We'll see what that means for Victoria going into the third. The Blizzard have all the momentum right now. Third period up. They got 4 goals in a row. So we'll see if Victoria can respond to that momentum with one of their own. It's funny, it went from 2-0 Victoria to 4-2 Saskatoon, and a bit of an anticlimactic start to this period. as the puck goes flying out of bounds. You know, Saskatoon, great rally in the second period. Got a few goals early, and then it was 3-2 for a long time. Then with 17 seconds left, they net another one to go up by 2 here. Whitney shoots and scores! Ray Whitney puts one in. And it's 4-3. Another early goal to start a period. This one came 5 seconds in again. Ray Whitney finally getting in the action. And it's a 4-3 game. Now, if you're wondering why there's a delay, I have to scroll up and go to the other goal horn. 4-3. Here's a shot blocked. Every period has started with early goals, and then it was no goals for a long time. That's how it's been. 4-3, great stop by Reimer. He has it in the back. Sends it up. Whitney couldn't get a good shot. Patrick Sharp has it here. He turns it over. Whoa, he scores! Carter Hart came so close to the save of the game. But instead, it's all tied up at 4. David Perron, 19 seconds in, has tied it up. He has 2. We're tied for the 3rd time. It's a great game that we got going on. Both teams putting up a fight. It's what we like to see here in the broadcast booth. Here's the draw. Turnaround doesn't go, and Reimer goes flying again. Across the ice, Perron picks it up. Tries to get a good shot, but it was really weak. Oh my God, they scored! And the Blizzard are back in the lead. It's a goalie goal for Carter Hart. Unbelievable. We're 28 seconds in. We have 3 goals already. Carter Hart has one, and the Blizzard lead for the 2nd time. A big rally for Victoria, cut short there as the Blizzard retake the lead. 5-4. Here's a shot out. 2:31 left. In regulation, the Blizzard lead by 1, and a shot. There's another one. And a high-scoring start to this 3rd period. It's 6-4. Shot right off the draw. James Reimer has absolutely no shot at that one. Campbell now has 2. It's 6-4. Oh, this is going to be the highest scoring period. All right, here we go. 6-4. Here's the draw. Right across. Oh, missed it. Comes back though, and a stop is made by James Reimer. Ray Whitney brings it out. He fires off the crossbar, and he goes offside, and they'll just touch it up. I feel like he should have let it roll. He wasn't going to let it roll. That would have given Patrick Sharp a free shot. Yeah, that makes sense. Here's the draw. It goes to Victoria. They'll control it back, and that's an easy save for Carter Hart. No effort really needed to make that stop. Megan, back and forth passing. There's a shot. Doesn't go. In the back now is Reimer. Sends it out. Hossa stops. Rebound blocked off. Whitney keeps it. He shoots and a stop. Rebound save, and it goes out. 1:59 to go in the period. The Blizzard leading by 2. And the Millionaires needing 2 goals to tie it up. Across and a shot. Goal post. Might have been a save. I don't know for sure, but it was one of the 2. And they'll just face it right back off the boards. So that does not count. That's our first board bounce of the game. Perron just throws it down to the other end. People, you gotta be careful to not hit Greg Campbell because you could be ejected if he gets hurt. Here's the draw. He shoots. Stopped. Oh my God, I can't stop the clock. There we go. No, there we go. Gotta add a second back to the clock. But of course it doesn't let me type. God, this thing is awful tonight. I think we're just going to have to run with it. It's not letting me type. We're just going to have to run with it. I mean, it's something very minute. It's 1 second. It can... Oh, turned it over. Whitney having some trouble, and he shoots it wide. He had some trouble with it. There's no way he was getting a good shot off. Patrick Sharp fires it. Doesn't go. Hossa deflects it over to Perron, who fakes it. Gave it to Hossa, and there's one that they desperately needed. The Victoria Millionaires are back to within 1. They desperately needed that. They were nearing the halfway point of the period. Marian Hossa, his second of the game. It's 6-5. It's a tight game here. I like both teams playing a tight game. God, this scoreboard is awful tonight. It's slow. It looked like the puck went out of bounds, but they're allowing to play. They continue Sharp for a couple of wide shots. Whitney along the board. He fires and a stop is made. It goes into the back. Sends it out. Oh, that almost went in. It wouldn't have counted anyway. Oh, he's glad he whiffed that. Marian Hossa better be glad he whiffed that. That would have been a penalty. Ray Whitney has it here. Across, bounces out. I mean, that one's not delayed of game because it didn't fly out of bounds. It was on the ice and then it took a deflection and went out. What the heck, man? It's not working. Is it working? There it is. So, face-off late. That's tough. A shot. Good stop. Turning around and firing. Goalpost. Rebound. Missed the net. We're nearing the last minute of the period. The Blizzard looking for a dub. That one doesn't go. They turn it over. They score. We're all tied. Carter Hart came close, but it didn't happen. Patrick Sharp has his second. We're tied at 6. I mean, this is what killed me. We went from 4-2 to 6-6. What a game that we got going here. Here's the draw. Shoots. Oh, Hart able to catch it before it could go in. Oh, man, that's a tough one to swallow right there. Across the ice and a shot turned away. Sent up. Shoots. Oh, he missed it. Oh, Hart are able to get back, but he missed anyway. 6-6. They turned it over, though. Offside. Free play here. Sharp turns it over, and they'll just touch it up. 6-6 with 39 seconds. I could easily see one of these teams getting the game-winning goal. I can see it happening. Here's the draw. He shoots and a stop. Turning around, that one's going to miss. Sharp. Campbell comes out with it. He shoots offside. He goes, and they'll just touch it up. 28 seconds left. So are we going to have the winner, or are we going to see overtime again for the third time already? Shot deflected up and over. I feel like there's a good chance we could see overtime again. 25 seconds left. Across the ice. There's a shot. There it is. Victoria has the lead for the first time in a long time. They're going to see if they can add a second back to the clock. And they do. There's 22 seconds left. 22 seconds. Sharpie has a hat trick. My guy, former Blackhawk. It's 7-6. And they add it back. 22 seconds. They have not pulled the goaltender yet, and they can't do it. The light comes off, and they'll just fix that behind the play. Victoria running some time off. They can't pull the goal yet. He shoots it. Stop. There he goes. You got Hornquist out there. He skates over to the left side. He fires, and he sends his guy offside. They have a free play. He missed the up at the end, but it doesn't matter. The Victoria Millionaires pull off a miracle in Toronto. They win this one by a final of 7-6 over the Saskatoon Blizzard. And the two teams are going to go shake hands, as is tradition in outdoor games. It is tradition to shake hands. What a fun game. But we always get super high scoring games, and that's what kills me. 7 goals. The final score in the game, the Victoria Millionaires 7, the Saskatoon Blizzard 6. Thank you for coming to the Canada Classic. The next LHL outdoor game is on January 1st, 2021 at 7 p.m. The Chicago Express will be hosting the Kansas City Thunder at Soldier Field in Chicago, Illinois. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next game. Bye.